Welcome to Nations Discipleship and Healing Enterprises International, a non-governmental organization founded in 2010. Our world was once good, but with our arch-enemy Satan, things have changed. Mankind is now experiencing more pain and trauma than ever before. Many people in our communities are widows, widowers, orphans, in need, disabled, and even barren. Despite all these challenging conditions, we were given the answer through Christ, who after ransoming us has given us a task to do according to 2 Timothy 2:1. We have decided to invest in a discipleship program. Through this, we aim to give youths a calling that will go hand in hand with assisting those in our midst, living with threats, fearfulness, marginalization, victimization, and isolation in their own communities. Being involved in societies with high unemployment, orphans, and single parenthood, we mainly focus on the youngsters who, due to their youth and circumstances, end up being misled by the arch-enemy Satan. Our work now is based on Kigali Children's Center, NDAHEI Theology and Discipleship School, Kingdom Farm Zoo, House of Healing Prayer Center, Pastors and Leaders, Fellowship Development, Total Healing and Reconciliation Center, School of Handcraft, Kingdom Saving and Imp Credit, Bridge of Knowledge Academy, Zika. Our leader, Alexis Kiza Hakizimana, was born in Kigali, the capital city of Rwanda, a country in East Africa, in 1980. At a young age, due to difficult circumstances, he found himself in the deepest village where his former luxury life had turned into a wilderness. He became a cowboy in the bush. While keeping his adoptive father's cows, he saw a deeper meaning, and that threw all he knew into harsh perspective. Alexis was born into a wealthy family, but his life changed dramatically when he was just a child. His parents were killed in the genocide against Tutsi, and he was forced to flee to the countryside. He lived in poverty and hardship for many years, but he never lost hope. One day, Alexis met a Christian missionary who told him about Jesus Christ. Alexis was deeply moved by the message of love and forgiveness, and he decided to become a Christian. He began to study the Bible and learn more about his new faith. After a few years, Alexis felt called to start a ministry to help other Rwandans who had been affected by the genocide. He founded Nations Discipleship and Healing Enterprises International in 2010, and the organization has since grown to help thousands of people in Rwanda and other countries. Nations Discipleship and Healing Enterprises International provides a variety of services to its beneficiaries, including education, healthcare, vocational training, spiritual counseling, economic empowerment. The organization also works to promote peace and reconciliation in Rwanda. Alexis believes that the best way to heal the wounds of the past is to teach people about the love of Jesus Christ. Nations Discipleship and Healing Enterprises International is a shining example of what can be accomplished when people come together to help others. Alexis Kiza Hakizimana is a true inspiration, and his story is one of hope and resilience. We do everything for total healing and extending Kingdom of God. Thanks for watching. To support our work, send your donation at PayPal with the below link or visit our website at www.ndahei.org.